the monthly because I don't have anything to do. But after this, I'm gonna probably go film a video game Fortnite or Roblox. But for now, let's get started. Alright, guys. I have drinking on my mouth. I think the only thing you can't hear is this. It's like too soft. And when it's too soft, I can't be crunchy. It's like these where you can just I'll make this one quick so I can go shoot a Fortnite video. Sorry if I'm silent because I'm just enjoying this movie. I'm trying to make my teeth like crunch into it, like trying to make it like crunch. No. Oh, here's a good one. Look. If it's spinning like that, it can cause more crunch. That was a good one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna be choosing the way first. I'll for it a quick second because I need water. Oh my gosh. nice crunch combo for the last. For these, I'm gonna stack them all up. I don't have sound effects, so I don't know how to edit. I'm trying my best to make the crunchy sound. I'll try my hardest to edit, but can't. Because when you're on Samsung, it's really hard. Time for the final, y'all. The Mega Crunch. Oh, I'll get it closer so I can make it. Y'all can hear the crunch. Alright, ready, guys? Oh yeah, that was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you.